Hi friends, welcome to Srisai IT Hub. In this video of Core Java Programming, we are going to discuss the following topic: linked HashSet class with any class object. So any class object means it can be student class objects, employee class objects, etc. in Java Collections framework. So first of all, we'll understand what are collections framework in Java. So coming to Java collections. So collections means collection of objects or group of objects as a single unit or single object in Java program. And what is framework? So framework means the library which is provided with Java to work with Java collections framework. And this library is provided to us in the form of java.util package. So in this package we have different classes and interfaces using which we can work with collection of objects. So in java.util package collections framework, we have collection interface, which is a top level or base interface for all collection classes and interfaces. So under this collection interface, we have four popular collections. First one, list collection. Second one, set collection. Third one, queue collection. Fourth one, map collection. And all these collections are sub-interfaces for collection interface in Java collections framework. So coming to some technical points, so collections is only for objects but not primitive data types. If we store any primitive data type value also, internally it will be stored in the form of objects only. Hence, everything what we store in collections is object itself, and to be more precise, it will be object class object. It will be in object class object format, where object class is a superclass for all the classes in Java programming. So now coming to linked HashSet class with class object. So we are going to use student class objects. So first of all, linked HashSet is available in java.util package, and this class is inherited from HashSet class and set interface. So set interface is inherited from collection interface. Collection interface is inherited from iterable interface. So iterable interface is available in java.lang package, and remaining all are available in java.util package. So coming to linked HashSet class, some technical points goes like this. So linked HashSet class, it is a collection of objects implemented or represented like a linked list and hash table data structure. So linked list means you will have links between the objects, previous object and next object. For example, obj1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So when we have links between the objects, then advantages, whatever the operations we perform on linked HashSet, those operations will be quick and fast. So linked HashSet default capacity is 16 and default load factor is 0.75. So 0.75 means it is 3 by 4. So this load factor decides the capacity of a linked HashSet. For example, so initial capacity is 16. So 16 into 3 by 4, 12. So when we add 12th element, automatically the capacity will become double. 16 plus 16, 32. 32 into 3 by 4, which is 24. When we add 24th element, automatically the capacity will become double. 32 plus 32, 64. And in linked HashSet, we don't have indexes to the collection of objects, and linked HashSet does not accept duplicate objects, and in linked HashSet, order is preserved when compared to its base class, which is HashSet. And linked HashSet accepts null values, only one null value, because it does not accept duplicate values. Next, coming to the constructors and methods of linked HashSet class. So if we see the description of linked HashSet, java p-p java.util.linked HashSet. So linked HashSet, give this command in the command prompt. So linked HashSet class is inherited from HashSet class, and it is also inherited from set interface. So linked HashSet class does not have any separate methods. So we are going to use this constructor, default constructor, with the initial capacity of 16 and load factor 3 by 4. And then we are going to use the add method, which is inherited from base class, HashSet class, and its set and collection interface. So let us try to add student class objects in linked HashSet collection. So we'll take a program, linked HashSet class example5.java, take a new page, right? So program to demo linked HashSet class with student class objects. So import java.util package. So take a student class, 3 data members, roll number, name, height. And in constructor, we are initializing roll number with R, name with N, height with H. So R, N, H. So these 3 are input parameters to the constructor. And then we are taking display method. So inside the display method, we are displaying roll number, name, height of a particular student. So 3 data members, 1 constructor, and then 1 display method. So let us go to the main class with main method, linked HashSet class example5, save it as .java extension, and then with main method. So linked HashSet LHS is equals to new linked HashSet, and then we are creating 3 students object, S1, S2, S3, new student, and then we are passing the values to the constructor, 1001 SRI 6.0f, and then 1002 RAM 5.9f, and then 1003 Ali 5.6f. So these 3 objects we are going to add to linked HashSet. So LHS.add S1, S2, S3. Order is preserved. So let us print LHS. So when we print linked HashSet, it will print object reference code, because here we are adding student class objects but not primitive data type objects. Right, so compile Java, C, linked HashSet class example 5. No error, and run it. So this is S1 object reference, class name @hexadecimal number. This is S2 object reference, and this is S3 object reference. Right. So now let us try to access these objects using iterator cursor, because we don't have indexes in linked HashSet. Right. So on linked HashSet, I'm calling iterator method whose return type is iterator cursor II. So II.hasNext, it will check for the existence of next element, S1 object, S2 object, and S3 object. So S1 object is available, it will return true. Access that S1 object, II.next method. So S1 object is available in object class format, which is a super class for all the classes in Java. Downcast that into student class type and store the reference in SS and say ss.display. So when you say ss.display, it will display student1 dot roll number, name, height. So similarly, II.hasNext student2 access display. Similarly, II.hasNext S3 true access S3 object reference and then display its details. So when there are no elements, next elements or next object in the linked HashSet, automatically it will come out of the while loop. Right, let us save this, come to the command prompt, recompile and run. So S1 details, S2 details and S3 details order is also preserved. 1001, 1002, 1003. So this is how we are supposed to work with LinkedHashSet class with any class objects in Java Collections framework. Thank you for watching this video. Do like, comment and share this video, and also subscribe to the YouTube channel Sri Sai IT Hub. Have a nice day.